Okay, this is the first heavy look at the engine of this Mercedes 220. It's a gas 4-cylinder. Let's just look this over quick and see what we see. Radiator's dry. Try that again. There's oil right up to snuff. A carburetor and a super funky air cleaner. Nice. Broken wires in the air conditioner. I guess we don't need to worry about that. There's a fairly new ground for something. Okay. Air conditioner delete. Okay. That's probably not making a super good connection. Temperature. Let's see here. We got a Trek fuel pump. And we got some newish wiring. This looks like goes into the cabin and then back out. Maybe it goes to the fuel. Yeah, it's probably a switch for the fuel pump. This red one goes in and out. Where does that go? Maybe down to the starter? Yeah, okay. So this is something aftermarket. Got a fuse on it though. I'm betting. Let's look at this. Not horrible. What is this? What is that? They threw a screw out of the spark plugs, and then these jam into the. Well, I don't think that's a great system. Huh. Well, that one's broken back there. That one's broken. Okay. Points. Don't look, that's dirty, but not bad. What's this? That's a newer-ish wire. Where's that go? Oh. What's that? Some sort of control module for the spark. Okay. This is loose. Oh, that's probably a bracket for the AC. That's probably a bracket for the AC. So if I put, no, that's got crack. That's no good. I'll get rid of that. I think I have one of those actually from the 240. See if we hook battery, what happens. Oh! Okay, well, we got a switch on. Let's investigate that. Oh, that's the lights. Oh. No, the ignition was off. I don't really know why the lights were on. Not really sure. Let's put the battery back on, see what happens. Get some light in here. All right. Brake release. Fog lights. Headlights come on. All the way back is running lights, so that's off. Okay. Still the ignition is off. Horn doesn't work. Radio doesn't work. All right. So ignition, first position. Generator light comes on. No horn. We got lights still work. We got, ooh. I heard it make a noise. The radio or FM. No radio. Okay. Off. What's this? Oh, cigarette lighter. What's this? I have no idea. What's this? Defrost. What's this? Defrost. What's this? Heat, cold. What's this? Whatever that is, it lit up. No idea what that is. Wonder what that is. This? Hazards. Works. Okay. So what's this? Oh. Okay. Start button. Okay. It turned over. What else we got? What else we got? What else we got? What else we got? What's this? Oh. What's this? There's an aftermarket right there. Ooh, it's got green wires. So that went to the fuel pump. So ignition on. I don't hear nothing. Okay. No red wire. So, oh, what about blinkers? Blinkers work. High beams work. Wiper. Oh my God, the wipers work. Huh. Okay, all right, I'll take that. No cigarette lighter. Okay. Wonder how you turn the freaking heat on. Oh. Okay. That's broke. What's this? Oh, no, that's... I don't know. I don't know what that is. I don't know. Alright, well, okay. Ignition off. Okay. I got the fuel line out of the carburetor into a jug. I've got the battery out of it so I could work in here. I got the charger hooked up, and let's hit that switch in the under the dash and see if this pumps the fuel out. Okay, pumping. Oh yeah. So that should pump everything out of the tank. Smells really bad. Hoo-wee. Awesome. All right, well that'll we'll just let that go until it's empty. I suppose meanwhile we could put the ignition on and open the points and see if we get some torque. All right. Ignition is on. All right. Why do I hear clicking? All right. Well, I hear clicking. I hear clicking when that open and closes. But I hear it. I don't understand. I don't understand what I'm doing here. Am I getting spark? That's, I don't know what that clicking is. What is it? Is the relay clicking? This has got some sort of weird... Oh, I lost the ground. Let's see if there's anything coming out of here. When you do that. No, not clicking now. Not doing anything now. Oh, wait a minute. Our coil's not hooked up. I'm out. Alright, we gotta hook up the coil. I suppose we should see if there's 12 volts there, huh? Let's make it real confusing and make them both red. Alright. That's ground. Yeah, that makes perfect sense. So I only got one hand here. Okay, we got 12 volts? Yes. Okay. So, do we have 12 volts here?
No. That's with the. There's no nut on it. Frick. Oh, I think our. No. That's just about done pumping fuel. All right, well, a couple gallons in total. That's cool. So, yep, we're done. So we can shut off the fuel pump. So we pumped everything out of the tank. Awesome. Couple gallons. And we have this one. All right. Now all we gotta do is get that there. So we'll get that connected, and then we'll get that connected. Put a little 1/4 to 5/8, sorry, 5/16. And we'll cut this end off. Like that. Just like that. All right. So we need coil, we need gas, we need spark plug tips, spark plug wires. I think that maybe a cap. It's probably fine for now. Contacts are fine. We gotta ground this pump, probably right there, and then we'll see if we have spark. That's it for today. We also got to figure out what kind of oil goes in here for the plunger. Got to put radiator fluid in. Battery's on charge. So I think that'll do it for today until we get some more parts. So that's takes care of day one on the Mercedes 220. Will it run?